The COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted our over-reliance of phytomedical resources, amongst other things, on poorer countries. Our ability to produce what we need in our own country is close to impossible. Yes, many people will complain of how expensive a lot of things will cost as a result if medical supplies are to be made in Singapore. However, for the benefits of Singapore and of its citizens, this is the only way forward, especially when global crises like the COVID-19 pandemic strikes the world, which has an unknown expiry date. We will reflect on how cheap and in many cases inferior quality things used to be, but we'll soon realize that the days of cheap products and exploiting the labor force from places like China are over. Furthermore, the cost of relying on them for almost all important goods, and with their supplies suddenly stopped, the disruption to our daily living, business operations and economy is enormous and detrimental. I encourage all Singaporeans to support the local medical industry, especially companies that provide medical supplies to Singapore, and together we can get Singapore back on track. The COVID-19 pandemic has created an unclear vision as to what lies ahead for the Singapore economy, livelihood and survival of Singaporeans. Nonetheless, Frendo Dental Laboratory is committed to be a reliable and consistent provider of high-quality dental processes made in Singapore for Singapore. The world has changed drastically due to COVID-19. It is during such a period that patients will be even more cautious of the safety standard of the dental processes that are to be placed within the mouth for use daily. The potential exposure to the virus, which is a matter of life and death, also means that patients will demand dental processes to be delivered timely, fit accurately at the least number of appointments for try-in. Say goodbye to lost package due to disruption to global logistics and supply chains, and say no more to incidences when you need to talk to someone with the know-how in the making of dental processes but is only attended to by a middleman. As a dentist, you deserve peace of mind in the running of your dental practice, and as patients, you deserve to be assured of the high safety and quality standard in the dental processes which are to be placed in your mouth to be used in the long run. Frendo Dental Laboratory has been serving government hospitals, polyclinics, and private dental groups and clinics for the past 25 years in Singapore. We are here to stay for good. We are Frendo Lab.